roll up to this home at 116 Tree Farm Lane, you're gonna really feel like it's your home. Located on over an acre of land, about 10 minutes from South Garner, really close to I-40. When you arrive here, you really feel like you're away from it, but you're still really close. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath house is open floor plan, meticulously taken care of, great grounds, and you even have the serenity of a tree farm in your backdrop. Excited to bring to you another Sandy Roberts listing.